Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya Roy and you are watching Edunation Ecofunomics.
B, C, D, E, F, G.
So guys, if you're new here, you obviously do not know, but all my previous subscribers, I believe you do know that we have launched our first online store, and currently in our store we have a book, 3 diaries, 16 art pieces, 2 styles of pen, and 6 keychains, and I guess 16 designs of bookmarks. So if you haven't checked out our store as yet, please visit my website www.ecofunomics.com. Hit the store Edunation Ecofunomics and check out our art pieces, journals, pens, keychains, bookmarks, and a book, Economica. So based on our book, Economica, I have also made a video on how to take care of your books and assets. So I'm not sure if you're going to watch this video first or that video first. So either way, do check out that video too. And now let's roll into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we, Edunation Ecofunomics, we package, and deliver and ship our products. If you guys are in India, you can order us, and if you order 500 or above, we make sure to give you free items equivalent to your delivery charge. So basically क्या होता है, कोई और जगह में if you do a 500 you get free delivery, but in our case, since we are so new, it is not even a single month as yet, so we are not able to give you free deliveries. So हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, for example, your shipping charge is 30 rupees, or your shipping charge if you're somebody somewhere near Calcutta or Bihar or Odisha, somewhere around Assam, so your shipping charge is somewhere around 60 rupees. So we give you free gifts worth rupees 60 if you're somebody residing in Karnataka or Delhi. So the shipping charge is about 90. So we are giving you free delivery. No, we are giving you free gifts worth rupees 90 if you order 500 or above. So guys, now let me show you how we pack our books, our diaries, our pens, our art pieces and everything, and how we bubble wrap them, or how the entire shipping procedure of Edunation Ecofunomics takes place. If you're somebody who is very young into the business just like us, and you're currently not sure what are the biodegradable stuffs, please begin your business with the non-biodegradable plastic packaging items available in the local market itself, as we did. We do know many of you might say that यार ये biodegradable नहीं है, ये environment को harm करेगा. We get the point, but currently we are not in the condition to go around hunt for biodegradable stuffs, because that is also going to raise your cost. And when you're so new into the business and you want to make profits, you really cannot keep huge costs, because आपका profit percent ही इतना होगा, and if your selling price is really high, people are not going to buy from you, because first of all, you're a new brand in the market, so they won't trust you enough. Secondly, your prices are extremely high, so that is going to just shoot you out of the market. So when you're a new independent business, small business firm like we are, please try to keep your costs as low as possible so that people can build trusts on you.
So guys, I always do such work which do not require much of your brain at the night, because in the morning I do my research work, I do my other more productive stuffs. So guys, I'm using a normal clear pouch which is available in the local market. I am also adding a thank you card which also has my social media IDs printed on it. Apart from that, if there is a bookmark which the person has ordered, or anything which is sleek and can fit into the same pouch, I am just keeping them in the same pouch. Then I'm peeling off the pouch and then sticking it just the normal procedure as it is.
So you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment.
So guys, now I am folding the excess part of the pouch, and this is a 1:1 sticker, paper sticker with the logo of our company printed on it. So it is a little difficult to peel the back off, but then I am just securing the pouch and securing it with the logo. So there you have it guys, the first package of our book.
I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie to you. I don't wanna fight. I would rather call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see.
Guys, this is a normal bubble wrap pouch which is also available in the local market, and I'm going to simply insert my book, diary, whatever it is in it, and tape it up nicely and add the logo on top of it.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Now guys, I have made a normal Excel sheet with the name of the customer and the address on it, and I'm trying hard not to reveal the address to you, and simply cutting out the strips and then pasting them on top of the pouch.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints.
Now, if you're still here and watching my video and you have watched till here, it means that the video did provide you some value, and if you haven't joined the family, I highly recommend that you hit that red button down below and subscribe to our channel, because we are going to show you so much more knowledgeable and just very worthy videos which you might enjoy and you wouldn't want to miss. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, toodles.